Mahal, itong lang video ito, inaalay ko para sa iyo ito. I love you so much.
I know you don't think that I am trying. I know you're wearing thin down to the core. But hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true. Because a girl like you is impossible to find. You're impossible to find. This is not what I intended. I always swore to you I'd never fall apart. You always thought that I was stronger. I may have failed, but I have loved you from the start.
Mahal, naalala mo itong party na to dito. Kasi ako, dahil ikaw ang kasama mo. I love you. Miss na talaga ito.
Don't make me change my mind. I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true. Because a girl like you is impossible to find. It's impossible, so breathe in so deep. Breathe me in. I'm yours to keep. And hold on to your words, 'cause talk is cheap.
Mahal, itong Christmas Eve na to, ang saya ako dahil ikaw ang kasama ko sa araw na Pasko. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, or I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true. Because a girl like you is impossible to find. Tonight will be the night.
Mahal, I hope nagustuhan mo mga regalong binigay sa'yo ng pamilya ko. Miss na talaga ito.
Another day, I swear it's true. Because a girl like you is impossible to find. You're impossible to find.
Mahal, namimiss na talaga ito. Sana maulit-ulit ang mga itong nangyaring ito. Dahil alam mo ko, mas magaganda pa ang mangyayari sa ating dalawa.
As we walk the golden mile down the pretty aisle, I know that you are mine, and there's nothing in this world that I know I wouldn't do to be near you every day, every hour, every minute. Take my hand and let me lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side till death do us part. Baby, I'd be your friend. My love will never end till death do us part. When I wake up every day with you lying in my arms, I want
Mahal, salamat dahil ikaw rin ang kasama ko sa bagong taon. Love you. Hindi ko malilimutan ang mga araw na yun.
it's true that my heart belongs to you. Baby, we can have it all. Girl, take my hand
you so much, mahal ko, dahil pinalala mo ako sa mga kamag-anak mo. I love you so much. Alam mo, mahal, first time ko nalapitan ang Pilipinas kasi lagi ko naman nadadaanan yan. Kaya thank you so much dahil sinama mo ako. I love you so much, kasama ko. Alam mo, mahal, ito lang ang picture natin sa school. At least meron tayo pic. I miss so much sa prinsesa ko. Mahal ko, kahit ito lang picture natin yung JS, alam mo, napasaya mo talaga ang puso ko sobra. Gusto ko maulit yan, magsaya natin. Mahal ko, I hope na magustuhan mo tong gawa ko. I love you so much, mahal ko. Ikaw lang ang makakasama ko habang buhay. Wala nang iba pa. Mahal, walang iwanan ha. Alam mo naman, haba na napagsamahan natin. Pero dapat kayanin natin ang mga pagsutan na dadaan sa atin. Kasi alam mo na kaya natin yan. Mahal ko, asawa ko, prinsesa ko, makdo ko, biyag ko, bakit ko, meow and me. Jaya, Shibi, Just 14. JB Pakansa, Sheila Mia Coramen, forever and ever. Happy birthday. Happy 19th birthday, Miss Sheila Mia B. Coramen from JBD Pakansa.